Hi guys, today we will be making some Summiko Gurashi macarons. They're really cute and easy to make. You can add a little eye pin and turn them into keychains, or you can stick a magnet on them to make them into fridge magnets. So for this project, you'll need some clay. I'm going to be using Model Magics from Crayola, but you can also use polymer clay. I'm using paper clay because my sister bought me this huge tub of paper clay like 2 years ago and I barely used it, so I'm trying to use it up now. And also paper clay is a lot softer than polymer clay, and honestly my fingers get tired easily, so that's kind of why I like paper clay better sometimes. I actually have a macaron tutorial for polymer clay up on my channel, so if you're interested you should go check it out. If you're using paper clay, you'll also need some markers, and I'm just going to be using the markers to color my clay. So first I'm going to be making the little bear macaron. So to make that one, you're just going to mold 2 small balls and then squish them flat. You're just going to find the green color and going to color in the clay like this. Then fold it over and then start kneading. So for the beak, you're just going to make like an oval shape, really long oval, then make a cut in the center, make a line, and then squish it down. And then you have this little beak shape, and then you just squish it onto the macaron like that. But I'm gonna use this for the foot, for this cat one. Then for the shrimp tempura one, you're just going to roll out some red clay into like a small cylinder ball and then cut that in half and then stick each end onto the base macaron. So that's all you have to do to make Summiko Gurashi macarons. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!